Welcome to the Animal Crochet Academy. In this video, you'll be learning how to read a crochet pattern. Now, if you're anything like me, when you first saw your crochet pattern, a few things might have popped into your head, like, what do all these numbers mean? What's a SC? This looks like a foreign language. This is really confusing. I don't get it. So if any of these thoughts pop into your head, I'm here to assure you that by the end of this video, you'll become a pro at reading them. So let's get started. To start strong, I'm here to tell you that the Animal Crochet store patterns are all written in US terminology. Although there are different words for the same stitch in different countries, that is Britain, the US terminology is what we'll be learning today. Great. So let's look at some common abbreviation used in amigurumi. RND stands for round, SC stands for single crochet, INC stands for increase. I've created a free cheat sheet of all the abbreviations in the description below, so if you're ever stuck, you can always refer back to your cheat sheet. Now that you understand the basic abbreviations, let's look at a crochet pattern created by the Animal Crochet store. RND1 means round 1. 6SC in a magic circle means we need to make 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Remember, the abbreviation SC refers to single crochet. The number in the square bracket shows the total number of stitches you're supposed to have at the end of the round. In our scenario, it's 6 stitches. Make sure to count your stitches after each round, so if you make a mistake, you just need to remake just one round, instead of remaking the whole piece. Let's make the second round. 6 INC means to make 6 increases. Increases means crocheting 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Since we had 6 single crochets in the first round, now we need to make an increase in every stitch. That will increase the total number of stitches. Let's look at the number in the square brackets. It's 12. Count your stitches on the crochet piece. It's supposed to be 12 at the end of the second round. In the third round, you see one increase, 1 single crochet in brackets 6 times. This means that you need to repeat the sequence of 1 increase followed by 1 single crochet, a total of 6 times. Let's look at the number in the square bracket. It's 18. Count all your stitches. You should have 18 stitches after the third round. To sum it all up, RND3 stands for the round that we're currently on. 1 INC, 1 SC in the brackets stands for the type of stitch we do. 6 times means the number of times we repeat the stitch. In this case, 1 INC, 1 SC 6 times. And finally, the number in the square brackets is the total number of stitches at the end of the round. In this case, 18. As always, remember to count the number of stitches after each round.